Open up the piano and let's play The Blessing. Now for this song, we have a total of 4 chords, and since we have only 4 chords, we're going to change up some of the chords position. We're going to move to the nearest possible chords, playing the inversion, okay, of the individual chords to make our piano playing more complex. Now for the first chord, we have a C chord. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to have our middle C, put our thumb on middle C, finger 3, and G, and a finger 5 on G, left hand 1 octave down, C chord. Now this is our C chord. Now next chord, we're gonna have our F chord, where we're gonna keep our C. For the next 2 notes, instead of E and G, we're gonna move up to F and A. Okay, so this is our F chord, left hand finger 5. This is our F chord that we are gonna use for this song. Next chord is our G chord. We're gonna move down to thumb on B, left hand finger 2 on D, right hand finger 5 on G. Okay, and this is our G chord, and left hand finger 4 on G. This is our G chord. Okay, that we're going to use for this song. And lastly, for our A minor, we're going to move this pattern up, C, E, and A. Left hand finger 3. This is our A minor chord. And since we have only 4 chords to manage for this song, we are going to have different playing patterns for the individual parts of the song, for verse, chorus, as well as the bridge. Okay, so let's start with our verse. Full bar, it will be a both, right, right, right. And then for the half bar, it's going to be a both and right. There's only half bar pattern for verse. For chorus and for bridge, it's all going to be a full bar. Okay, so let's do it slowly. Verse, 1 bar, full bar of C. The Lord bless you. F chord. And keep you. C chord. Make his face shine upon. G chord. You. And be gracious to you. A minor. The Lord turn his. F chord. Face toward you. Half a bar of C. And half a bar of G. Give you 1 bar of C. Peace. Let's play verse smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face
Half a bar of C coming up.
you.
Half a bar of G. Back to C.
Let's move on to our chorus, where we're going to start with an A minor, okay, and then the F, and then to the C, and then to the G. We have 1 bar each for this 4 chords, okay, 1 bar of A minor to F to C to G. Now because this is the chorus, so now we're going to change up the playing pattern. The playing pattern for chorus is going to be a both, right, left, right, right, left. So if we play continuously A minor, F, C to G, it's going to be a minor starts first, both, right, left, right, right, left, both, right, left, right, right, left, both, right, left, right, right, left, both, right, left, right, right, left. Okay, so let's go slow. A minor, start with A minor, 5, 6, A minor, F chord, man, C chord, man, G chord, man. One more time. A minor, F chord, man, C chord, man, G chord, man. Let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, A minor, and we go. Amen, 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 amen. Let's move on to our bridge. Now the playing pattern for the bridge is going to be a both right, 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 left. Okay, and then we are going to go around through the sequence of A minor, F to C to G, one bar each. So if I combine the pattern, the new pattern, both right, 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 left, together for the 4 chords, it's going to be like this. Both right, 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 left. 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 Okay, so let's go slow. A minor, may his, A minor, favor be upon you, and a F chord, 1,000 generations, and your C chord, family and your children and their G chord, children and their children. May his A minor presence go before you and be F chord, behind you and beside you. All the C chord, round you and within you. He is G chord, with you. He is with you. Okay, the next bridge. In the A minor, morning. In the evening, in your F chord, coming and you're going. In your C chord, weeping and rejoicing. He is G chord, for you. He is for you. He is A minor, for you. He is for you. He is F chord, for you. He is for you. He is C chord, for you. He is for you. He is G chord, for you. He is for you. Let's play bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you. He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you. 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 Alright, let's jam the full song together. Now the jamming sequence is going to be a verse to chorus. Then we're going to have our bridge and then back to chorus. Okay, a pretty short song. So yeah, so let's do the whole song together. Okay, we're going to start with C chord. 1, 2, and we go. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Chorus, and we go. Amen. 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 Bridge, and we go. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you. He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you. 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 Chorus, and we go. Amen. 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 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, and hold. 2, 3, and hold. One last time, hold A minor.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
And the song on C. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.